would happen, but this is part 2 of making slimes. This is the final product. It's really squishy. It does leave like roasting and stuff. But it's like after playing it a lot, it's like butter slime. It's really squishy. It doesn't like really stretch as much. Well, it does, but it will like add stuff to your hands. I just washed my hands. I'm gonna set them again. Just try to get all of it off. If I swipe it, it will like put more on. But this is really nice. Kind of make some sounds when you poke it. Look. Just like that. If you try to take it off, it's really hard to. You're gonna have to use so it's nice. I just made a stain on the camera. It is pretty sticky. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed those 2 videos. They were nice and they actually worked. If Crystal and Ruby were here, they would be in this video too, of course. But they're not because, you know, I already told you guys. No channel trailer. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this videos. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye.